Hello, Michelle Park here with the latest weather update. Now, cold air is blowing hard from the north of the peninsula. Over the course of the evening, we'll get sub-zero readings, so make sure to layer up when you're going back home. And by tomorrow morning, you can expect even colder conditions. Seoul will begin the morning at -4 degrees Celsius, while the southern regions will still be bearable with Daegu and Busan beginning at 0 and 6 degrees. By the time we reach noon, it'll get sunnier across the whole country, with Seoul topping out to 3 degrees, while Gwangju and Busan rises up to 7 and also 11 degrees. Clear skies will stay with us until Saturday in most places, including Seoul, but with freezing temperatures in the mornings. And Sunday, rain or even snow is expected to fall on the central region. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.